This is the 2024 AAT Polybag, and it is the best AAT mini build we have ever gotten from LEGO. Granted, it's only the second polybag we have gotten, but it is leaps and bounds better than the 2011 version. Also, better than all the foil packs from the 2016 European LEGO Star Wars magazines and the Advent Calendar builds from 2014 and 2023. These are the details as a quick time lapse of the build takes place, and stick around until the end for a quick stop motion. The AAT Polybag, set number 30680, has 75 total pieces, was designed for ages 6 and up, and was released at the beginning of 2024. This set also came as a free gift with purchase during May 4th at lego.com with a $40 purchase. Lastly, this is a 25th anniversary set for the Phantom Menace, and at the moment costs around $5. This AAT is the tan colorway based on the design from the 1999 movie The Phantom Menace. This is opposed to the Clone Wars blue and gray colorway. Overall, this set is a big step up over the 2011 polybag. That 2011 version really only got the general shape of the AAT correct and was not proportional at all. The main cannon was extremely small and blocky, as well as the base being completely flat. This updated version of the AAT corrects these mistakes and adds additional details. The base of the tank includes sloped pieces to match the curvature of the armor plating from the movie, and creates a smooth and circular main cannon. Additional details, such as the circular front hatch, are added, as well as these cylindrical pieces that contain the power generators. Not only is this set more accurate to the movie, but it hides the majority of the LEGO studs on the outside, except for the single one at the top. At around 6.5 cents a piece, this is a great price per piece ratio for the set. It also took me around 14 minutes while building at a casual pace, providing a good amount of entertainment value. Speaking more on the build experience, there were a couple of snot techniques that were used that keep the build extremely sleek. Overall, my experience went very smoothly and the instructions were easy to follow. As for play features, this set has a surprising number given its small size. It includes a 360-degree rotating main turret, posable side guns, a movable front hatch, and a slick underside which allows for a lot of playability. My only real complaints are that the set has a couple of miscolored pieces, namely gray ones, seen near the base of the cannon and poking out on the sides near those engines. If these were instead a tan or dark tan color, I think this would make the set perfect. At this price point, I think this set is a must-buy for any fan of the prequel era, especially if you don't already own another AAT mini build or a regular set. Since the Phantom Menace AAT hasn't been released in a regular set or microfighter even since 2015. This set is both great for a small display as well as play. Pick it up if you haven't done so already. Thanks for watching.